Hi everybody, it's Kathy. Welcome back to Kathy's Life. Today, I am unboxing a little treat I bought myself from Louis Vuitton. You probably already read the title, so you know what is in the box, but I always like it when I watch reviewers and they unbox it on camera for you. So I'll just show you. I bought this from the Louis Vuitton Canada website. It is the second purchase that I have made online. And it always comes nicely packaged. They ship by UPS. This is included in it. That is the receipt. I ordered it on September the 2nd, and I have to tell you, I was not impressed with the shipping this time. The one other order that I made was back, I think in February, and I had it within 48 hours. This one took 3 weeks to get to me. It was so frustrating. It just seemed to be excessively long, and UPS would never update the information. So I was starting to worry because, I mean, it's not an inexpensive item in here. So I love the packaging. I love their small leather goods, how they always come in like a little drawer. So you pull the drawer out like that. Has its own little dust bag. I'm so excited. It is the Sarah Wallet in the EPI leather with silver hardware. You know I love black, and I love black with silver hardware. I'm not a fan of gold. So I just wanted a classic looking wallet. I don't like anything that is too flashy. That's not really my personality. I just wanted something that was classic, timeless, but still beautiful. I wish you could feel how smooth this leather is. I have never felt any of the Louis Vuitton leather goods before. I just have the canvas, and I was blown away with how soft and smooth it is. And it smells so good. This shipped from California, so I was a little concerned with all of the fires going on, that maybe there'd be some smoke smell or whatever, because it took so long to get here. And I know on the west coast of Canada, they're dealing with a lot of smoke from forest fires as well. But it's perfect. It is perfect. It has a Louis Vuitton logo etched in there. And on the silver button, I hope my camera's focusing. It has a slot in the back, and inside it is stamped made in Spain, which I am happy about. It's beautiful. It really is beautiful. So there's a little pocket behind here, and it just has a little barcode that you can scan for more information. And then the area where I'll keep my cash, and there's 1, 2, 3, 6 credit card slots across here. And then the change area, which comes in handy because in Canada we no longer have $1 or $2 bills. We have loonies and toonies, which are coin change. And then in the front part, we have another full pocket, which will be handy to stick receipts. And then there are 6 more slots on the back side of the front of the wallet for more cards. I love it. It's so smooth. It's so soft. I'm so excited to fill it up with my things and start using it. I debated if I wanted to get the wallet in the damier Ben pattern, because that is my favorite pattern, but I opted for this one. It was a couple $100 more, but I just love black. I know I'm not going to get tired of it. I just felt that this was more who I am, because I know that I can get tired of things if they're too trendy. Well, not that the EPI leather is trendy, but you know what I'm trying to say. I just wanted something that was going to not be too flashy and this I thought was perfect. This is just me, it speaks to me. So I wanted to know what EPI leather exactly meant because I'm fairly new to the Louis Vuitton brand. By no means am I an expert. I'm not claiming to be. So I just thought I'd share this with you. EPI leather is a leather mainly used for Louis Vuitton products. It is a pigmented smooth leather which has a characteristic embossing and is reminiscent of bordered grain. Due to the pigmentation, the leather is weather resistant. It has like little ripples in the leather, the grain. You do feel them, but it's so smooth. Honestly, it's like putting your hand across a pound of butter. It's just that smooth. I'm really impressed because I was expecting it to feel a little stiffer. I love the silver hardware. I wish that they had more products that were black, or even with the Damier Ben that had silver hardware, but maybe it wouldn't go good with the pattern. I don't know. But I love silver hardware, and I love how subtle the embossing is of the Louis Vuitton, the LV, and that's the only place on the wallet that I see where it is. So, you know, unless you know the brand, unless you know this particular wallet, I don't think the average person is going to know that it's a Louis Vuitton, which is fine for me. And again, it's so beautiful on the interior. Such great workmanship. So overall, there are 16 slots for cards, you know, for credit cards or store cards. It's just perfect. I was a little surprised when I did see, it kind of scared me because I could see daylight whenever I first peeked, and I thought, oh gosh, don't tell me there's a hole in it. But there is, right in the crack there on either side. You can see daylight, so, but that's the way the wallet is made. So, yeah. It's gorgeous. It is really, really beautiful, and it was well worth the wait and the worry about where it was, because for a while I was beginning to think it got delivered to somebody other than me, and oh my gosh, that would have been awful. Now, because the wallet is black, it's difficult to see, but it almost looks like the lining. Let me get my flashlight on my phone. Trying to, the lining looks burgundy to me. I don't know. I don't think it's showing up there. But it's so smooth. Where the lining is, where the change will go. So it's absolutely beautiful. Let's just see. Not that I would do this, but you may be interested. I have an iPhone 11. And it does fit in there. So, you know, if I just was meeting somebody for lunch and I wanted just to take my wallet and my phone, it works perfectly. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So I will definitely come back in maybe a month's time, give you an update on the wallet, and after I have worked with it for a while, put all my things into it. But first impressions, I absolutely love it. I look forward to getting more products in the EPI leather, because actually I much prefer this over the canvas, and I'm probably in the minority, but that is just my preference. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing and first impressions review. And if you're visiting me for the very first time, I hope that you will stay around and click the subscribe button. And most importantly, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.